Hello guys, this is Saili Pawar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this lockdown is going on and on and on. And I'm dying for some crispy samosas. So what's better than cooking them at home? So here's a quick recipe of chicken samosas for all those who are craving just like me. So let's begin the recipe. Okay, now for the samosa dough, we'll take 2 cups of maida, a pinch of salt, half tablespoon of jeera and half tablespoon of ajwain. This is optional. And now we'll mix the dough by adding water gradually. Add 3 tablespoons of ghee. Now let the dough set for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, now for the chicken samosa filling, we need 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, 250 grams of chicken mince, 2 to 3 onions finely chopped, some coriander leaves, 2 to 3 green chilies finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of cashew nuts, some coriander seeds, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. This is jeera powder and all other spices. Now we are going to make the chicken filling. Take a saucepan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, two to 3 medium-sized onions finely chopped, one tablespoon of cashew nuts, and 2 to 3 green chilies finely chopped. Now saute for a while. Okay, now we'll add some coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 250 grams of chicken mince. Now saute for a while. Okay, now we'll add all the spices. 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of jeera powder. And finally, some coriander leaves. Cover the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Now let the mixture cool for a while. Grind this filling in a mixer. Don't make a fine paste out of it. Now take the dough and make small balls out of it. Now roll the dough in oval shape. Now cut this into half. Dab the water on the ends and join this. Put the chicken filling inside. Now again tap the ends with the water and join this.
share as much as you can, and thank you so much for watching my video.